To purchase an item under hire purchase terms, we always begin with the consideration of the cash price, which would be the amount of money to pay for the item and in full and own it. Hire purchase is the terms under which you can pay some portion of that cash price, so some deposit, and then the remaining or the outstanding balance there is usually some interest applied in order to get what is called an amount payable, and this amount payable is paid in installments, so it's divided up equally most often into a number of installments depending on the hire purchase terms. So as I said, your deposit would be some percentage of the cash price. The outstanding balance is that cash price minus the deposit, and the amount payable is the outstanding balance plus some interest, and that interest is usually a percentage. Each installment is going to be the total amount payable divided by the number of installments. So if you have to make 24 monthly installments, you would take the amount payable and divide it by 24, and then you know how much you have to pay each month. And finally, the hire purchase price which is all the money you pay for this particular transaction under hire purchase terms. Your hire purchase price is made up of your deposit and your amount payable, which can also be considered the total installments. A treadmill can be bought on hire purchase terms by making a deposit of 15% on the cash price, which is $3,570, and an interest of 20% is then charged on the outstanding balance. The amount payable is due in 12 monthly installments. We are asked in this example to calculate the hire purchase price and the amount of each installment. Our scenario is going to start where the information begins. We have a cash price and we have to make a deposit on that cash price. So the deposit is 15% of the cash price, which is $3,570. 15% of 3,570 is $535.50. If we've made that deposit, then we are left with what's called an outstanding balance, which is the difference after we take out the deposit that we have already paid. So we have $3,570 minus what we've paid down. $535.50, giving us an outstanding balance of $334.50. This outstanding balance is then charged an interest of 20% to give you the amount payable. So the amount payable is the money remaining to be paid, the outstanding balance, plus 20% interest. So 20% of that same figure. Altogether, that gives you an amount payable of $3,641.40. This amount payable we'll come back to in part B. But the question asks us for the hire purchase price, which is all the money that you will pay. So for part A, our hire purchase price is the deposit that we've already paid plus the total that remains to be paid, the amount payable, which, as we know, will be paid in 12 monthly installments. And add it all together, we get $176.90. Part B, in order for us to know the amount that you pay in each installment, we take the total amount payable, which is $3,641.40. Note that it is not the hire purchase price, because that includes the deposit. It is the amount payable that we're dividing up into 12 monthly installments. That gives us installments of $303.45 each month.